آج فضاؤں میں ایک عجیب سا درد ہے، ایک ایسی خاموشی ہے جو چیخ رہی ہے. The world woke up to a void that can never be fulfilled. The news of the martyrdom of Ayatollah Khamenei has shattered the heart of millions of people all over the globe. السلام علیکم، میرا نام ہے رائمین ہاشمی اور آج میں بات کر رہی ہوں آیت اللہ خامنائی کی شہادت کے بارے میں. He was not just a leader, he was a father figure to the oppressed from the early days of revolution till his last breath. He lived for Islam and the dignity of his people. خامنائی کی پوری زندگی ریزسٹنس کی داستان ہے. انہوں نے کبھی بھی دشمن کے سامنے سر نہیں جھکایا، پھر چاہے وہ پابندیاں تھیں یا سازشیں تھیں، ان کا توکل صرف اللہ پر ہی رہا. وہ ظلم کے خلاف دیوار بن کر کھڑے رہے، اور خامنائی وہ انسان تھے جو امریکہ اور اسرائیل کی آنکھوں میں آنکھیں ڈال کر یہ کہتے تھے کہ ہم حسینی ہیں اور حسینی کبھی بھی یزید کے سامنے سر نہیں جھکاتے. They thought by striking him they can stop the resistance. Little they know, a martyr is more dangerous to the enemy than a living leader. The cowardly strike by Israel and US has taken away his physical presence, but his spirit can never be taken away. He died a hero's death, a death he always prayed for. شہادت ان کی آرزو تھی اور آج انہیں ان کا مقام مل گیا. Khamenei's journey was not just a political career, it was a pulse of 60 years of resistance. From the dark cells of Shah's prison to the front line of Iran-Iraq war, he bore the scars of revolutionary. For 37 years, he held the shield for Iran, navigating through a sea of global sanctions, internal pressures, and constant threats. He turned a sanctioned nation into a regional powerhouse, standing eye to eye with the superpowers, never flinching and never compromising on his principles. Khamenei lived as a servant of his people and died as a martyr of his cause, targeted by those who fear his shadow even more than his words. The world will remember you as a leader who never bowed. Your journey ends here, but your spirit is now in every heart that beats for justice. You are finally at peace, far from the strikes, far from the sanctions, in the arms of Almighty Allah. Ayatollah Khamenei. He lived like a lion and he died as a martyr. الوداع رہبر معظم. اپنا بہت سارا خیال رکھیے گا. ملتی ہوں آپ سے نیکسٹ ویڈیو میں. السلام علیکم.